Welcome to the Resell Rights Vault. This video is about resell rights profits online. All around the world people are learning that the internet is packed full of millions of dollars in money just floating around. Learning how to actually grab your share of that money is extremely important, and for many there just is not time to start looking for completely unique solutions. For the busy individual who is looking for a way to break into the money, it is beneficial to start looking for private label rights options. This can allow you to get started making money quickly, and still modify the items you receive so that you can quickly and easily turn them into something that is unique. Tip 1. Always ensure that you are offering great value. While it might be possible to charge $30 for a single article or ebook, in the world of private label rights you are going to need to look to maximize the value. This means putting a few different pieces together and increasing the price a bit. This is a much better value to consumers. Which would you rather buy, a single item for $30 or 3 items for $89? Most people will view the second price as being much cheaper, which makes your products a significantly better value. Tip 2. Provide only useful information to people. If you are marketing a niche website that is targeting exotic dancing, then visitors to your website are not going to be impressed that you have information available that pertains to dogs and cats. For each website that you create, you need to have a single niche, and then ensure that the information on the site is relevant to just that niche. You will help to make things much less confusing and also increase your profits this way. If someone cannot tell quickly what you are offering, then you need to start reconsidering your approach. Tip 3. The sky is the limit. There are so many different ways you can use private label rights products. Whether you choose to only use them yourself, or even create some different podcasts, you are going to be hard-pressed to actually run out of ideas. This can allow you to really maximize your investment because your material is going to be absolutely huge. Tip 4. Always maintain a high quality. This is not always easy to do when you are first getting started and learning. However, if you are consistently offering poor quality, the search engines will start to ignore you, clients will drop you, customers will disappear, and your bank account is going to start being empty. This is not the result that you are aiming for, however, it is a very real and possible reality. Knowing for an absolute certain that you are striving for the highest quality products is critical to ensuring that everyone is satisfied and ready to come back for more. Tip 5. Constantly keep updating what you are offering. If you only offer the exact same items over and over again, you are going to lose out on repeat business. If you are adding new content, templates, software, reports, or ebooks to your offering, then people will have a very real reason to come back to you. This means that they are coming back to spend more money. This is critical to success because repeated business is what you are going to need to increase your overall income. If you have to search for every customer every time, you are going to see lower profits. If you only need to search for new customers to add and therefore increase your sales each month, you are going to see your profits start to skyrocket. Following these tips might seem so simple and basic that it is insulting to some. However, if you have been on the internet for years, you are likely to at some time or another forget even the most basic concepts. Making sure you keep your memory refreshed is critical to getting the results that you want and need. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified.